For Christian entrepreneurs and business owners that are waiting on God, okay, let's get this straight. You're waiting on God. Many times we are sitting there doing nothing and say we're waiting on God when God is actually waiting on us. What He's waiting on you for. Listen, do not wait till you have the perfect timing, the perfect setup, and the perfect opportunity. You need to work on get started now, because the perfect timing will never happen. There's always an obstacle. There's always something stopping you from trying to move forward because it doesn't want you to get to the destination or the place where God wants you to get. And so the enemy will always bring something to stop you. So get started. Use what you have now. Don't tell me you're waiting on all the money. No. Use your faith. Work with what you got. Use what's in your hand. Get started now. Follow for more tips.